Are you curious to know what mastering is? Want to know what mastering is not? Be sure to check out this video. Hello everyone, and welcome to Distinct Mastering. My name is Freddie. I'm a mastering engineer, producer, DJ, and president of Sleeping Giant Music. For over 2 decades, I've helped artists grow their careers, and now I'm here to help you with your music production skills. If you'd like a free stereo mastered sample from me, check the link down below in my description. Now, let's have a discussion about mastering. Mastering is the final stage in the post-production process. The purpose of mastering is to balance all of the sonic elements in a stereo mix and to optimize playback among all media formats and playback devices available on the market today. Think of mastering as the final icing on the cake, or the glue that provides the final polish and shine and the loudness to compete with other tracks on the market. Back in the day, the mastering house would provide the final master, where all copies and duplications were made from. These days, things are mostly digital, so it's our job as a mastering house to provide you all of the different file formats that you might need. If you need a master for vinyl or different streaming platforms, we got you covered. So the question is, why should you master your music? Mastering will ensure that your music will be heard across all platforms as best as it can. There are more platforms and media devices on the market than ever before, so it's best to ensure that your music is heard the way you intended it. Mastering can also bring out elements in your mix that you didn't even know existed. Some people ask the question, well, what's the difference between mixing and mastering? Let's pretend we're building a house. The framing could be considered the composition and the production process. The walls, flooring, and fixtures could be considered the mixing process. And then the mastering process would be like the final paint and all the final details that make everything sparkle. Not the best example, but I think you get the point. So you've taken your mix as far as you can, and you're ready for mastering. I do have some videos on how to prepare your files for mastering. I'll leave you a link up above. Now, I want to keep this video short, concise, and to the point, but I do want to leave you with a few tidbits of what mastering is not. Mastering is not having one master chain or string of plugins that you use on every track or album. Mastering is not about using crazy amounts of plugins or unnecessary hardware, and oftentimes not paying attention to very important details like gain staging or parameters from processor to processor or effect to effect. Mastering is not overcompressing and distorting the track to try to compete with loudness. Although it's okay to have loud tracks, you need to know how to do it the right way. And lastly, good mastering does not crush the dynamics or clip. Although there are times when you might need to crush the dynamics to get a loud master, it's always best to provide an alternative streaming version these days that retains dynamics. And that's my rant today about mastering. If you have any questions or just like to chat about music production in general, shoot me a comment down below. And if you need help with your mastering, be sure to hit us up. We offer first-time clients 1 free stereo mastered sample. Check the link down below. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and the bell notification will keep you up to date. Once again, my name is Freddie from Distinct Mastering, and have a great day.